My name is Frida Oyucho. I work with Palladium Group under KNHMI's 2 projects as a stakeholders engagement and capacity building advisor. Welcome to this session. I am going to take you through an overview of the spot. What is spot? Spot is simply the single point of truth. It is the point where you get to see the data that is uploaded from DWAPI to the National Data Warehouse, and you also get to see the time that the upload took place and whether the upload was complete or not. On my screen, this is how the spot looks like. When you upload data from DWAPI to the National Data Warehouse, your data, then you access Spot, you'll be able to see this page. You'll be able to access your facility depending on the time you sent the data. So once your facility has uploaded successfully, then when you're at the Spot, you'll be able to see the MFL code of the facility. You'll be able to see the name of the facility. You'll also be able to see the county where the facility is located, the partner supporting the facility. You'll also be able to see the docket that you sent from DWAPI, whether it was care and treatment, HTS, and PKV. If you sent both 3, you will be able to see all the name of that facility 3 times, and then it will be distributed into various dockets, care and treatment, HTS, and PKV. You'll be able to see the data that is expected from the various dockets and whether all of them were received, and then you'll be able to see the status, whether it was complete, in progress, complete, in progress, or incomplete. You'll also be able to see the date that data was uploaded, and you'll also be able to see how long ago. From the spot, you're able to filter. You're able to filter by partner. You're also able to filter by county. You're also able to filter by facility. That makes it easier for you to access your site if at all you sent data maybe 2 weeks ago or a few days ago. There is a plus sign icon besides the information of your facility. When you click on it, you'll be able to access statistics for the upload that was done for that specific facility. You're able to see the statistics that were received and expected for each extract from each docket. So for the National Data Warehouse, an example of this facility, you're able to see all the data that was received and the data that was expected and the date that it was updated. If you go to the HTS, again, you'll be able to see the data that was received and the data expected and the date it was uploaded. Again, with the PKV, it is the same. You'll be able to see the data received, the data expected, and the date that it was updated. If you scroll down and the facility metrics, you'll be able to see information about the DWAPI version that you're using and the last time the facility loaded any of the dockets that were sent. If you scroll down again, there's the indicator metrics where you'll get to see the various selected indicators with the EMR value, the National Data Warehouse value, the National Data Warehouse date, the date that data was sent to the National Data Warehouse, and if at all there's a difference between the EMR value and the Data Warehouse value. If you scroll up again on your right, there is the upload history, which basically shows you the trend analysis of how this facility has been sending data for the various dockets. So we have the care and treatment, we have the HTS, and also the PKV. So you can also track the upload process of your facility just from the upload history. If you go back up, there is the tab written facilities. So this is where you get to see all the facilities that have uploaded data to the National Data Warehouse. Then when you click on the partner, you're able to see information of all the implementing partners that send data to the National Data Warehouse. So you get to see their MFL codes, the implementation name, the agency that is supporting the partner. And then you also have a summary of the agencies on your far right. If you scroll again on your right, there's Master Facilities tab. So this contains information about the facilities that have been uploading data to the National Data Warehouse. So we have their MFL codes, the names, the counties where the facilities are located, and the partner supporting the facility. And again, you can always filter by the partner. If you want to locate information about a facility, you can always filter by the county. You can always filter by the name of the facility. You can also filter by the MFL code to access the facility. The Spot also allows you to export data to CSV, and the data that we're exporting is the facilities. So if, for example, a partner wants to know of their sites, let me use an example of faces of their sites, how many of their facilities have uploaded data to the National Data Warehouse and exactly when did they upload this data. So they will simply come and filter by the name of the partner. Then once they filter, then they will export their data. So after the data has loaded, so if you open this Excel, you'll be able to see all the faces sites, and from all the faces sites, the person who exports this data will be able to know the date that this data was uploaded or updated to the National Data Warehouse. Then from here, they can decide if at all a facility has not uploaded data in a very long time, they can simply single out the facility and request the facility to send data to the National Data Warehouse. And that is how to access and navigate the spot. Thank you.